Welcome to Gat Creek. I'm Gat Caperton, the CEO and owner. I'm here to give you a quick tour of our facility to show you the jobs that lie within. We're a unique company. We manufacture solid wood furniture in the United States. Not many companies like us left. Most of them left 10, 20 years ago and went to China. We never gave up on manufacturing. We're makers. We've invested a lot in this facility. We really have amazingly talented people that work here, and we're growing. We've got a lot of work to do, and we look forward to finding some more folks that can join our effort and join our team and make some furniture with us. Our operation breaks down into 3 different departments: a wood shop, where obviously we're doing woodworking; a finishing area where we do painting and protective coatings that make furniture last a long time; and finally a shipping department where we actually package furniture with the same kind of care we make it. Join me, we'll take a little quick walk through and show you what happens here. Our wood shop tour begins with beautiful wood. All the wood that surrounds me here came out of the Appalachian forest. It's sustainably harvested, locally harvested, and absolutely beautiful. The only trouble with this wood is it grows in different shapes and forms than furniture does. From this point, we're taking long boards, we're cutting them to length, cutting them to width, and creating panels, essentially beautiful building blocks to make beautiful furniture. The next section of the wood shop is a machining center. In the old days, this was filled with old machines, table saws, joiners, all kinds of crazy stuff that made parts for furniture. Today, we do highly automated machinery, CNCs primarily. These are types of machines that are programmed, and they actually operate much like a robot. They can pick up a tool and articulate like a hand, up, down, left, right, diagonally. Basically, one machine can do all the machining to one part at one time. It's pretty cool technology stuff, and it's very, very accurate. The last stop of our wood shop tour are our workbenches. Here's where we actually are building the furniture. And it's a pretty cool process. It's not an assembly line, it's not repetitive. Each of our builders really specializes in building entire pieces of furniture. When they complete a piece of furniture, they sign it, they date it, and they roll it in our finishing room. The next stop on our tour is the finishing department. This is where the magic happens. We take beautifully made furniture and give it an exquisite finish. The first step here is actually sanding. The best finishes start with the best sanding. The second step in our finishing process is the color work. This is where we're staining and painting furniture. The staining process is kind of special. It's literally a board-by-board process, and it involves an artisan touch. The third step in the finishing process is where we apply the top coat. This is a clear coat that protects the furniture. It involves spraying, it involves sealer sanding, and really a final quality check. Very hands-on work, very cool. Each piece is unique, and we work on it until each piece is beautiful and ready to be shipped. Our third department is our packaging and shipping department. Packaging furniture is as involved as building a piece of furniture, and takes just as much care. Each piece is different. Some are large, some are small, some take some protection, some take less protection, but every piece must be packaged well. These pieces travel. We have customers in all 50 states, and we often ship stuff all the way across the world, including just about every continent there is. This is the finish line of our operation. As I hope you've been able to see, we take great pride not only in what we build, but how we build it. We have a factory full of talented, hard-working people. We're growing, and we appreciate your interest in joining us. Thank you.